Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing my joggers collection with you guys. Now in my last video, which was about my makeup collection video, I got such a good response and I asked you guys if you want to see any other collection videos, and you guys said that you want to see a joggers collection video. Now this video has been most requested since a very long time, ever since you guys got to know that I wear more joggers than I wear jeans. Now I must be having like 2 or 3 pair of jeans, that's it, and I have so many joggers because I think I just can practically live in joggers. I'm not fond of jeans as such. Obviously I'm not gonna be sharing like the whole collection, because if I do that it's gonna be an hour-long video and we don't want that. So I'm gonna be sharing like 12 to 13 favorite pair of joggers that I have. I am very excited to share my joggers collection with you guys. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, I'm so sorry you guys, I took so long to film this video because I was helping my father with the mango situation. Now if you don't know what I'm talking about, you need to go watch this video on my vlogging channel. Yes, I have 2 channels. This is the main channel and I have another vlogging channel called as More Mau, where I post daily vlogs. So if you would have watched that video, you would have known why I was busy, and that was the reason why I was not able to film. But let's not waste any time and start with the video. I'm going to be sharing this pair of joggers first. Now this is, I think I bought from Shein, and a lot of my joggers have like this pattern going on the sides. I really like it. It makes your waist look cinched and it also makes you look taller. That's like a small tip to you guys. Now this is not like a proper pink color. It has a hint of beige and pink. It's like a very muted pink color, which I really like. And again, as I said, this has like a pattern going on with black and white detailing, and it has an elastic niche and it also has an elastic over here. I think it had a nada, but I got rid of it because I don't I was not needing it, so I just removed it. And the material is really patla and like not in a bad way. Obviously it's a very airy material, and I can pair all sorts of crop t-shirts with this. Now I love to wear plain basic crop tops with all of my joggers. They look so stylish and chic. So I can pair like a black or blue or white crop top with this and it's gonna look bomb. Then let's talk about this pair of joggers. Now this one I got from Bandra Hill Road, and I have shown this in the video, like the collaboration video I did with Nidal, so you have to go watch that. I got this for around 250 rupees or so. I will definitely wear it for a lounge party, or like when I go to my friends for a night out, or when we have like a house party situation. I can definitely pull this off. It has like this Adidas situation going on, 2 stripes, and then it has pockets. It also has a nada. The fitting is really snug, like a leggings, so you have to make sure that you are wearing like a thong inside, or maybe like a seamless underwear. So yeah, because I honestly don't like when the underwear shows from behind, like on your hips. I just don't like that. So make sure that, you know, when you are wearing such tight joggers or leggings, you have like a seamless underwear with you. Okay, next pair of joggers, I don't know, I can't just remember मैंने ये कहाँ से लिए हुए हैं. These are like black joggers, again with the white detailing going on, but it's like a mesh detailing. I hope you guys can see. And honestly, more than the fitting, I really like the material on this. I have a lot of black joggers with me which look kind of the same, but the reason why I have them is because I go through them like this, because I wear them on a daily basis. Now speaking of black joggers, I have one more which I got from Bandra again. So this one and this one like was a pair that I got. इसी में same ये black color का है, and the fitting is exactly like the grey one. It also has a nada, so I'm not gonna explain that. Let's talk about a very interesting pajama that you guys always asked me about. So this is from H&M, and guys, I got this from kids section, like 14-year kids section. I got this from, I'm not kidding, you guys can clearly see it's from H&M kids section, 14-year-old. And I just love this pajama. This does not have pockets, so that's the only downside. It does not have pockets, but I just love this. Now thoda wo purana lagne laga hai, but when I got this for the first time, I used to wear it outside. Now I don't wear it outside much. I know this is not a pair of joggers, but this is something that I really like, and you guys were really curious about where did I get this from, so I included in this video. Okay, let's talk about the next joggers. Now this, I I think I got from Ajio if I'm not wrong, and this has a really interesting pattern going on over here, and it has drawstrings and then again the elastic situation niche and upper as well. Now the only reason why I don't like this is because I am kind of short for this pair of joggers, because it is very high-waisted and it almost comes near my breasts, which is very weird, and they are a little loose for me as well, so they are very baggy. But the color is to die for, you guys. I love army green color, and that's the reason why I'm not throwing it. So yeah, okay, let's talk about one of my most favorite joggers, and that is this one. Oh my god, look at the color. I just love the color. It's like a khaki color, and you can basically wear any color on this, like blue, red, yellow, black, white, anything on this, and it's gonna look amazing. And the fitting of this is so good. It's not extremely tight, it's not extremely loose. It also has pockets. So yeah, this is like one of those joggers which I'm never ever gonna throw. Okay, let's move on to another most favorite joggers, and that is this one by Shein. Now this is again in the same color, but it has a checkered pattern, and it also has this detailing going on, जिसमें क्या लिखा है, atmosphere. I don't know why atmosphere is written on it. It's very funny. I never noticed that it's written atmosphere. Anyway, it does not have any elastic situation going on, so it's like a trouser pant and not like a proper joggers pant. A black crop top looks so sexy on this, even a white crop top. I just love this, and the material on this is really soft as well, and patla, very airy, perfect for summers. Then let's talk about a jogger pant that has been with me since, I don't know, 3 years now, and I don't remember where I got this from. I think I've shown this in one of my very old videos. I can't just remember मैंने ये कहाँ से लिया हुआ है. This does not even fit me anymore. I mean, it does fit me, but it's very tight, but I can pull this off. So this is in the size small, and it has zips on the pockets, which I really like, and it's very fascinating. It has drawstrings and then the elastic situation niche, and this is like a cropped joggers, so again which makes you look taller. Okay, let's move on to another pair of joggers. I again don't remember. Okay, ये बेवकूफ से लिया हुआ है. बेवकूफ has really good joggers if you are interested, and Shein as well, obviously. Ajio से मैंने लिए हुए हैं, Myntra से भी लिए हुए हैं. So yeah, this one is from बेवकूफ, as I said. This one is again pink, and this one is not of this color exactly. Like, can you see the difference? But honestly, my mom doesn't see a difference, and then she screams at me ki same kapde ka gete is. But jogger lover can understand the situation over here. And again, the classic jogger pattern. It is a plain jogger, does not have any detailing going on. It's like a solid color jogger, which I really like. So you know, you can experiment with your t-shirts. Like, you can wear shirts as well, like cropped shirts on this. You can just like wear any patterned t-shirt on this, because the jogger, like the bottom wear, is plain, so that's a good thing. They also have black and like army green as well. I know I'm rushing through the video because I don't want you guys to get bored, and that's why I'm doing so. Let's move on to another Bewakoof jogger, and this one is again black and the classic pattern going on, but iska fitting is the best amongst all, I would say, because it just hugs my body to the right amount, and that's why I really like this pair of joggers. Again, I can pair any basic t-shirt on this. So let's move on to another black jogger, which is not a jogger, it's like a pajama slash jogger. I wore this in one of my dance videos that I posted on my Instagram. A lot of you guys were like, where did you get this from? So I think this is from Myntra, and this is by Dressberry. Now, I have always raved about this brand Dressberry, which is there on Myntra. The clothes ka material and all the fitting and the way the clothes are stitched is amazing by Dressberry. Now, Dressberry is sort of an expensive brand. You will not get anything below 1200 or 1300, but it's value for money. I like to wear like a white or black or any other colored crop t-shirt on this, or a singlet as well. Then let's move on to last joggers, and that is this one. Now, a lot of you guys asked me when I posted this picture on my Instagram ki ye kahan se liya hua hai. I think I got this from Myntra. I don't really remember. I'll try to like recollect maine kahan se buy kiya hua hai. But the only problem with this is that it's okay for photo shoots and stuff, but you can't wear this in real life because it's kind of transparent. Even if you wear like a skin colored underwear, this will still show your underwear. So yeah, that's the reason why I don't wear it outside, and it breaks my heart that I can't wear it outside. Okay guys, I guess that is it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you you did, then do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Comment on what other videos you want me to do. Let me know तुम लोग को और कौन से collections देखने हैं, because I am kind of digging these collection videos lately. And don't forget to give a watch to my vlogging channel. This is how it looks like. I would really appreciate if you go watch that and subscribe to that channel. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. बहुत सारे लोग बस देख के चले जाते हैं, ऐसे मत करो, like करके जाओ. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Until then, stay positive and stay happy. Bye. And honestly, hi guys, welcome back to my pink color, and that's what I really like. Why is this so bright? This is okay, AC बंद नहीं किया है, हे राम.